Welcome to a special edition of my cooking show, where I'm going to show you how you melt chocolate. And I have a special guest right here. And wait, where's Andrea? Dun, dun. First, you'll need a little bit of any kind of chocolate, and you need a little bit of milk, and then you melt it, supported by any heat, like this candle here. Also, don't try this at home without a grown-up.
Why?
It's because if you're a kid, don't play with fire.
Got it. Okay. So what are the ingredients to do this?
Any kind of chocolate,
Okay.
milk, and you just need heat in a bowl.
Milk is for what?
Milk is for mixing with chocolate.
Okay, and I see a white cotton ball there. Is that white cotton ball?
No, it's marshmallow.
Marshmallows. What else?
Pencil sticks,
Pretzel sticks.
chocolates, and peppermints. I'll show you how to crush one.
I guess you need help. Can we invite your special guest now?
And then you mash the
Candy cane?
candy cane.
Okay, what is that bag for?
That bag is for making sure that all the pieces don't come loose.
Got it.
I'm here.
Okay, hi.
I was stuck in the couch. The elves helped me get out
I see.
by Christmas magic.
Welcome.
Since today is Christmas Eve.
All right.
Oh,
So
we're making hot chocolate. I mean melted chocolate.
melted chocolate. Okay. Can you show us how to do a nice melted chocolate with a garnish?
The candle's melting.
I also see something here. What is that?
Oh, these are minced nuts.
And
Just pour them in a bowl.
okay.
And this is also another topping.
Cashews.
All right.
Bam!
Bam, bam.
I said bam.
And as you can
Okay. Let's start with a marshmallow.
First,
Okay.
you need a marshmallow.
Okay.
Dip it in the chocolate, then add toppings.
Got
if you
it.
want them.
All right. And what is that plate for?
This plate
Is to put your melted.
is
If you don't have these, you can use chopsticks if you have them.
or if
Okay.
you don't have chopsticks, you can use like a fork.
Okay. All right. So let's grab one marshmallow.
Bang.
You do
Right.
it too, Andrea.
Got
I
it.
think
Yummy.
it needs to cool first.
Okay.
Daddy, come on here.
Melted candy cane.
No, it's fresh candy cane.
Okay. Now you can put it in the plate.
If you
Nice.
don't have any of these toppings, you may use fruits like chocolate covered strawberries or blueberries.
Now let's
and-
try
or
with the
grapes.
chopsticks. Ah!
Okay.
And I'll make one for the kids, just chocolate dips.
Okay. I would like mine with walnuts.
Oh,
Aren't there cashews?
Yummy.
well,
It is
I'm
delicious.
cut crazy.
You already trying yours, Andrea?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the candle out now. And that's all. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked any of my ideas, you can comment down below.
And subscribe.
I don't do that.
Yeah. Click the notification bell for more videos. Also, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa,
And a happy sweet New Year.
and Happy Dia de los Reyes Magos.
Bye.
Bye. See you next time on Mia's Cooking Channel on YouTube. Yeah.